people in Fresno.
What was that?
I have a YouTube channel. I do car shows.
Okay, nice.
My name is Abdul. All right, how are you?
Good, yeah.
You having a good time? You know, with those GoPro, you can't even tell if it's recording or not. All these car club is over there. Mad delivered. Are you fucking? And if anybody wants to buy one of those lowrider cars, so go ahead and contact the guy.
Look us up. Nuestra Vida.
Yeah. Hey, hello. I hope it's recording here. Welcome back. We're here in the city of Fresno. We're doing a car show here, and second day, second row. Car shows keep going, and in the city of Fresno, and never stop. Thank you very much. And I'll catch you later on. Welcome back again. My YouTube channel is Abdul DZ. Abdul DZ. Thank you. All these car club is over there. Beautiful rims. Flag, American flag all together. Beautiful shading. There's not a rim. I hope this time is recording. You know, with those GoPro, you can't even tell if it's recording or not.
Really?
I thought I was recording, but I was not.
Oh, okay.
So yeah, here we go. We got a proud team here from the club called All These Car Clubs here in Fresno. Thank you very much. And here are twin brother, right?
Yeah.
Oh, there we go. All right.
He's a Lowry's brother, and we do this for we're here for a good cause.
Yeah.
To help a fallen brother.
That is good. Like the car show they had on Blythe Avenue in Fresno. The car show Polo Loco.
Yes.
Loco what's his name? I forgot. Yeah, Polo, right? Yeah. So here we go. And thank you very much. All right.
Nice.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank you. Thank you. That's a beautiful one. Thank you for showing up. How are you? Is that your car? I do car shows. Yeah, I got my YouTube channel, Abdul DZ. Yeah, you want to give a shout out to people in Fresno? Thank you. All covered with chromes. Looks like an Impala. Chevrolet. What's up, buddy? How are you, man?
Yeah, I got free dope, everything you need. So nice, make it say please, like a lolly, lick it till it's clean. She looked at
buddy? How are you? Want to give a shout out people in Fresno?
What was that?
I have a YouTube channel. I do car shows.
Okay,
My
nice.
name is Abdul, and my YouTube channel is Abdul DZ.
Okay.
I want to give a shout out people in Fresno and tell them to come.
Sounds
And
good.
have a good time. Thank you.
Okay.
Appreciate it. What year is the car?
Yeah, this is mine right here, 1962 Volkswagen Beetle
Nice.
with a 2276 running
Yeah.
48 IDAs on it.
Okay. What year?
It's a 1962
Oh, 62. I wasn't
Yes.
born yet. Yeah.
with a 2276 with 48 IDAs carburetors on it.
Oh, okay.
So yeah,
Yeah.
it's not your natural little grocery getter, and people usually think it still has a 1200 motor in it, but no,
Yeah.
it's not.
You kept everything intact. Looks like.
Yes.
Very original. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. All right. Take care, man.
All right, thank you.
Thank you. That's a beauty right here. Nice.
Bought it for like 40 grand.
There we go. Make her look real, huh? That's the name of the club, right? Fresno Vida. I have a YouTube channel.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, Abdul DC. Thank you very much. That's the
Nuestra
owner.
Vida Fresno.
Yeah, the owner of the club. And oh, that's what you sell, or?
Yeah, we sell them, we build them.
Oh, okay.
That one over there, that one is we're building for a customer.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
And if anybody wants to buy one of those lowrider cars, so go ahead and
Yeah,
contact the
look
guy.
us up. Nuestra Vida.
Yeah. We have like an address or phone number, or they can look
on
at
Instagram.
on Instagram.
Yeah.
Yeah, he got an Instagram.
Yeah.
So
You can look us up on Instagram, Nuestra Vida _Fresno.
yeah. Okay. Awesome. Yeah, the Nueva Vida Central County Car Bike Club. Thank you. Proud owner of the lowrider. What's the name of the club? Are you together? Oh, okay, yeah. How much did that thing will cost?
Huh?
How much did that thing will cost?
I made it.
Oh, you made it? Okay. Yeah, proud owner of the club. You actually made those cars right here. Nice.
I made everything right there.
Awesome. And how much that would cost?
Oh, like that, like 3,000.
Okay. All right. Oh, they work with the remote.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. They're not just like for display.
It's just like that one right there, like the one that's rolling right there.
Okay.
Just like
Yeah,
that
like the one over there. Oh, okay. They're not for display. I mean, you can display them, but they have locomotion. You can move them around. Yeah. Awesome. Great concept, man.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you. All right. How are you?
Good,
You having a good time? Here's a lowrider. That's how a lowrider looks like. What's up, buddy? How are you? Yeah. I'm good. Yeah.
Oh, hey, buddy.
Hey, what's up, man? I remember you. I can tell the face. He just recognized me right on the spot. Yeah. All right. Yeah.
The 64.
Yeah. Old.
native one.
Old time. Yeah. Old time. I remember the guy. Yeah. Thank you for showing up, man. Thank you.
Good to see you. I don't know.
We'll go around.
Hey, buddy, what was your your Instagram page again?
GMC from Straight Clown Custom Park Truck. Check them out. Smell the good food here. So buddy, how are you?
What's up, man?
Doing that for my car show. I got a YouTube channel.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, thank you.
No problem.
You want to give a presentation? If you don't mind?
I'm good right now. Those guys right there, touch all those guys. Those are all
Okay.
the owners of the car.
All right, thank you, man.
All right, bud.
You're from the Straight Clown?
Yeah,
Club?
I'm the green card.
Oh, okay, the green car, yeah. You want to give a shout out to people in Fresno?
All right.
Oh, okay.
That man right here, he's like,
Oh, that man here, Harley Davidson? All right. Yeah, I will. Thank you. Who's this guy over there? Oh, okay. Oh, he looks mad. He looks mad. He wants to set up front. What's up, buddy?
he wants to give a shout out. He said, you want to give a shout out to your president.
Thank you.
Just in case you do.